What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to show you my everyday carry. First off, we have the Police Security 120 lumen flashlight, about 20 bucks. And then I got the Pliers Plus multi-tool. I'd really like to upgrade to a Leatherman. My knife is a DeWalt folding knife, Tonto tip. Has things chewed through carpet, drywall, wires. Does the job. And my firearm is a Cobra Denali 380, 5-round clip. 150 when I bought it about a year ago. I'm pretty sure it's cheaper now. It's a decent gun. I haven't had any problems with it. And the bandana everything's sitting on. This is pretty much everything I have on me every single day. I'd like to upgrade pretty much everything one by one. Something a little bit better. But thanks for watching. Subscribe.